TV, let's have a quick look at what else is making news around the world. India's Economic Advisory Council member Sanjeev Sanyal has accused the USAID agency of the biggest scam in human history after the US Department of Government Efficiency or DOGE, led by the world's richest man Elon Musk, claimed to have cancelled funds intended to influence voter turnout in the country. Sanjeev sought to know who in India had received the $21 million grant for voter turnout in India. Meanwhile, the BJP and Congress accused each other over Elon Musk's led DOGE claim. Strong tremors with a magnitude of 4.0 hit Delhi, NCR and Bihar on Monday morning, causing residents to evacuate their homes. PM Modi urged citizens to stay calm and follow safety precautions. There were no immediate reports of damage or injuries. PM Modi urged residents of Delhi on X to stay calm and follow safety precautions following a strong earthquake that struck Delhi and its adjoining areas early this morning. Modi stated that officials are closely monitoring the situation and he has asked everyone to stay alert for possible aftershocks. Building on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's enriching discussions, renowned athletes Mary Kom, Suhas Lalinakare Yathiraj and Yavani Lekhara participated in the 7th episode of Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025 aired on Monday, sharing insights on discipline, focus and resilience. Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025 features 7 insightful episodes bringing together renowned personalities from diverse fields to guide students on essential aspects of life and learning. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav had informed Rajya Sabha in a written reply last week that as of January 2025, 136 Vande Bharat train services with chair cars are operational on the Indian Railways network. The minister also said that overall occupancy in these trains is almost 100%. In addition to many safety and enhanced features over regular trains, the Vande Bharat trains are also specially designed for extreme cold conditions and can operate in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. The National Payments Corporation of India or NPCI has introduced new rules for the FASTag, allowing banks to raise chargeback requests for incorrect deductions due to blacklisted or low balance FASTags after a 15-day cooling period. Users now have a 70-minute grace period before reaching the toll booth to rectify their status. The new rules aim to ensure the smooth operation of the FASTag system. FASTag is an electronic toll collection system that uses radio frequency identification or RFID technology and allows cashless payments at toll plazas. A FASTag sticker is affixed to the vehicle's windshield and it allows for automatic deduction of toll charges from a linked bank account, prepaid wallet or payment app. When the vehicle approaches a toll booth, RFID sensors scan the tag and charge the linked account. The barrier then opens, allowing the vehicle to pass. As reported by news agency ANI on Sunday, the BJP's Legislative Party meeting in Delhi has been postponed to February 19 with the swearing-in ceremony scheduled for February 20th. The Legislative Party meeting of the BJP was postponed from Monday, February 17 to Wednesday, February 19, a day before the grand swearing-in that marks the return of the Saffron Party in Delhi after a gap of 27 years. The meeting will take place at the Delhi BJP state office. The Kashmir Valley will soon be connected to the rest of the country by a rail link when the Vande Bharat Express begins operating between Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra Railway Station and Srinagar Railway Station. The Katra to Srinagar Vande Bharat train will commence operations on February 21st to 22, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi expected to inaugurate the service on the revised date. Passing over the world's highest rail bridge, the Chena Bridge, the train will operate on the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail link, connecting key stations like Katra, Udhampur, Banihal, Qazigand, Anantnag and Avantipura. It will offer enhanced safety features and modern amenities including a KAVACH or Kavach anti-collision system, faster acceleration and reclining ergonomic seats. Curtains to come down on Numaish, Hyderabad's iconic exhibition today. The event features a diverse range of shopping, food and entertainment from across the country. That's all for today. Stay connected for more updates. Thank you.